Understanding conveyor maintenance. Keep it moving. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our video where we're diving into an essential topic for many industries, conveyor maintenance. Whether in manufacturing, airports, or food processing, conveyors play a critical role. Today, we'll break down what this maintenance involves and why it's so important. Let's get started on this journey to ensure smooth operations. Before we dive into maintenance, let's understand what we're dealing with. A conveyor is a mechanical system designed to move items from one point to another efficiently. It's like a river, but for goods, transporting everything from raw materials to finished products. Conveyors can vary in size, shape, and purpose, but all share the goal of improving productivity and reducing manual labor. Now, why is maintenance critical? Imagine a conveyor as the heart of a production line. Just like a heart needs to be healthy to keep blood flowing, a conveyor must be in top condition to keep goods moving. Proper maintenance prevents breakdowns, reduces wear and tear, and extends the system's lifespan. It's all about prevention to avoid production halts and financial losses. Let's explore the core activities involved in conveyor maintenance. 1. Regular inspections. Like a checkup, examining the conveyor for wear, damage, or misalignments. 2. Cleaning. Keeping the conveyor clean from debris and spills to prevent jams or damage. 3. Lubrication. Applying lubricant to moving parts to reduce friction and wear. 4. Adjustments and alignments. Making sure the conveyor and its belts or chains are correctly aligned. 5. Part replacements. Swapping out worn or damaged parts before they cause a breakdown. Developing a maintenance schedule is vital. This plan should detail when and how each maintenance activity is performed, tailored to the specific needs of the conveyor system. Consistency is key to ensuring longevity and reliability. Think of it as regular exercise and a healthy diet for your conveyor. We hope this video has shed light on the crucial world of conveyor maintenance. Remember, a well-maintained conveyor is like a smooth-running river, efficiently transporting goods to their destinations. Thank you for watching, and keep those conveyors moving smoothly. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning and industry knowledge.